Ninjas, assemble! So, why do we look like ninjas? Because we're all going to be blindfolded. Yes, everyone is going to be blindfolded to play Herbivores versus, where is it? Carnivores. So, who wants to be a carnivore?
Me!
I want to be a carnivore.
I want to be a carnivore.
Sorry. Who wants to be a herbivore?
I want to be a herbivore.
There we go. You are a sheep. Who wants to be a herbivore?
I want to be a herbivore.
You're a cow. Sorry, it's for the game. Who wants to be a herbivore?
I want to be a herbivore.
You're a sheep. And I'll be a herbivore, I'll be a cow, okay? So, herbivores, we have to assemble, okay? So cows, we have to assemble, okay? Find each other.
Okay.
Sheep, the herbivores, you have to find each other, okay? And the carnivore, well, you have to eat us, okay? But we'll all be blindfolded, okay? Clear? Put your blindfold on, just clear an eye. And to find each other, first we'll mingle. We'll have to say, I'm a sheep, I'm a herbivore.
I'm a cow, I'm a herbivore.
Oh, you're right.
It's me.
I'm a cow.
I'm a sheep,
I forgot I'm a cow. Okay, let's do it again. I'm a cow, I'm a herbivore.
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 Hey, you're here?
Yeah.
Go, okay, we found each other. Perfect. But in the area, there's a carnivore. But the carnivore wants to eat us, wants to tag us. But the carnivore can only move by talking. One step equals one sentence. Okay?
I'm a carnivore.
I'm a panther, I'm a carnivore.
I'm a panther. I'm a carnivore.
One step. Okay, one step. Okay, not one and another baby step. Okay, one step. So, Heather, go in the back. Okay. So you have to find your partner, okay? Cows and sheep. Ready? So remember, we use talking to find each other, and you have to talk so we know where you are, okay? Okay? A bit more in the back. Good, thank you. And now, herbivores, put your blindfold on and mingle. Just for now, mingle. Just move around, mingle. Okay, mingle, and...
Carnivore, I'm a panther. I'm a panther.
I'm a herbivore.
I'm a herbivore, I'm a cow.
I'm a sheep,
I'm a panther.
I'm a herbivore,
I'm a sheep.
you're a cow.
I'm a herbivore.
I'm a herbivore, I'm a cow. We find each other, blindfold off for us.
I'm a panther.
Yes, we find each other.
I'm a panther. I'm a carnivore. I'm a panther. I'm a carnivore. I'm a panther. I'm a carnivore.
No, oh no, Cliff is eliminated. Sorry, Cliff. And you're eliminated too.
She ate me!
So, maybe one herbivore will be eliminated and the other will be left stranded looking for his or her partner. But that's fine because they keep talking English. So, sorry herbivores left without a partner, just keep talking. Okay? Thanks guys, that was fun. Okay, bye.